Nothing Phone 2 in all its glory. Yes, the Nothing Phone 2 has been revealed exclusively by MKBHD. In the recent Dope Tech episode by MKBHD, he shows the Nothing Phone 2, which is yet to be launched officially globally. If you look at it, the Nothing Phone 1 and the Nothing Phone 2 looks pretty much similar side by side. At a first glance, it might look almost identical, but they do have some design changes. But the Nothing has not gone for a redesign, rather they have gone for a more subtle approach this time. Well, the shape of the phone remains exactly the same, but they have gone for a new color here, a shade of light gray. Last year we had a black and a white variant. Likewise, the phone has a much more curved glass this year on the rear, so it is not flat like the Nothing Phone 1. So yeah, they've gone for a little different approach on the rear glass this time. Coming to more changes, the Nothing Phone 1 had 5 different white LED strips. Well, it's not the same exactly on the Nothing Phone 2. The pattern is slightly different, and you can see that the arc around the camera has been split into 2 arcs, into 2 strips, and also the middle part has also been separated into 6 different white LED strips. And you can also see that the red indicator, which blinks when you're recording the video, is now slightly bigger than before, and the remaining 2 strips remain the same. And the other thing that remains the same is that you guys are still not subscribed to our channel. Yes, 99% of our viewers are not subscribed to our channel. So if you're watching the video, do like our video and also subscribe to our channel. We're desperate. Send help. Well, the LED strips are still white, still no RGB. The gaming enthusiast people must be asking for RGB, but that's not happening, and that's for the good. But they have improved the LEDs here because they have increased the number of addressable LED zones in each light strip. So in the Nothing Phone 1, it had 12 different addressable LED zones, and the Nothing Phone 2 increases that to 33. And the top one in the middle right here has 16 different zones alone. And this improvement is not just for the sake of numbers, because they have actually come up with a new feature that you can use around this LED strip. So this bar right here, the LED strip, acts like a progress bar. So if you're playing any media, it will show the volume level of that particular media, and if you turn down or turn up the volume, it will go down and up with it respectively. So it now acts as a progress bar. And Nothing has also built a new Glyph timer feature which uses this LED strip. So if you set a timer for predetermined time and then turn around the phone, it will start the countdown, and then the lights will start to scroll in a anti-clockwise manner to show you a visual representation of when the timer will be over. For me, this is pretty cool because I usually use the timer a lot, so yes, this can be pretty cool. And also Nothing has plans for third-party applications to use this feature as well. And right now there are 2 companies that have actually signed up, Zomato and Uber. So I think how this works will be that it will show Uber's predicted or estimated arrival time, and for Zomato maybe it will show the estimated arrival time of your deliveries as well. So I think that's a pretty neat and cool feature if you think about it. It's unique as well, but still between the usefulness and gimmicky, in the middle. Now the another improvement to the Glyph interface is the essential notifications. So now you can select one app to show notification via the LED strip, this particular one, when the phone is flipped down. And you can only do it for one app, so that's the limitation, and the LED strip will light up and will stay lit until the notification is dealt with. Yes, you still cannot select different LED zones for different apps, which would have been pretty cool, and I think that's the way to go, but still, it's still usable. And there's another addition to the Glyph interface that will let you go full DJ mode with it to make custom notification ringtones. So this feature is called Glyph Composer, and this will come with the Nothing Phone 1 as well via an update. So these are the new additions and changes to the Glyph interface. What do you think about it? Do let us know in the comments down below. And now let's take a look at some of the confirmed changes, and especially the specification of the Nothing Phone 2. So the first confirmed change is the display. So the Nothing Phone 2 will have a 6.7-inch display rather than a 6.55-inch that we saw on the Nothing Phone 1. Likewise, it will come with an improved battery capacity with 4700 mAh instead of the 4500 mAh on the Nothing Phone 1, and this has been already confirmed by the Carl Pei himself. Also, the most important change here is that it will come with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, and this was unintentionally leaked by one of the executives of Snapdragon, but Glyph has confirmed this now as well. Now the other changes that you can expect on the Nothing Phone 2 is a faster UFS 4.0 storage. Likewise, we might get a custom Nothing cable, which has already been tweeted by Glyph himself, the image of the new USB-C cable. And also we might see improved cameras, because the Nothing Phone 1 had good cameras. It was not bad. It used the Sony IMX766 sensor, 50 megapixel. But still it was not on the level of what Nothing wanted. Well, they improved it with major update, but still we might see a minor upgrade on the camera as well. So that's it for the Nothing Phone 2. It will launch on July 11th. Let us know if you guys are excited as well. See you in the next one. Take leg.